The website I chose for Form Follows Function is a website called Squarespace. Squarespace is formerly known as for a blogging website to be able to create, to log in, or to search for a blogger. So this website promotes blogging. So its form is very relevant when they made this website. They made it to where it is creative and it has different ideas that can go in it. It's movement, as you can see right here. It's very modern, and I think that also promotes the form of this website. The home page of this website shows many different themes and ideas. Hopefully soon it'll turn to one of its different things that they have. The homepage swipes through different themes of what you could put into your own blog here. Its function is to be able to see the ability that you can search for, which is up here. Search for the domain. You can log in and you can create a site. You can have a free trial. I think this blogging site is really good for forms and follows. It shows, like you're seeing right now, it shows different ideas that you could have and different inspirations. So I think that this is a really good forms and it follows its functions piece for a website. My name is Hannah Hitchcock, and this was my website for Forms Follows Functions piece.